Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Synology Drive Client for cloud file access, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in synology.com and press enter. Once the Synology homepage loads, navigate to the top menu and hover over support. From the drop-down options, click on download. Locate the Synology Drive Client in the search results. Select your NAS model to ensure you get the correct version of the client. Choose your operating system from the available options. Click on the download button to start the downloading process. After the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Synology Drive Client. Once the installation is finished, launch the Synology Drive Client application. You will be prompted to enter the Quick Connect ID or IP address of your Synology NAS. Input your credentials when prompted, including your username and password. Click Connect to establish a connection between your Synology Drive Client and NAS. Once connected, you can choose the folders you want to synchronize. Adjust any necessary settings, such as synchronization direction and file versioning. Finally, click on Apply to complete the setup process. Your Synology Drive Client is now ready for cloud file access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.